Hello viewers, today's Saturday the 28th. A couple days ago I got a call from CIS Flowtech. The fuel distributor, the airflow meter, and the warm-up regulator are finished and they're being sent back. They should be here tomorrow. So now I'm kind of in a hurry to get everything ready on this car. I've got new ignition wires on here, the plugs have been changed. I've got to get everything back together on the other side there. A couple other things that need done. The coolant reservoir is out, so I need to put that back in and then make sure the coolant level's okay. I need to drain the oil and refill that and put a new filter in. And then I also have, here, I'll show you on the other side, I also have the part that the filter mounts to, that's off. I had to get some access to change the motor mount on this side, so you can't really see it, but yeah, I guess you can see it a little bit there. So I'm still waiting on that gasket as well. So today I'm working on repairing some of the rest of this wiring that's loose and some of the vacuum lines. I'm doing what I can to kind of get ready to get this, see if this car will start. I also need fresh gas and I'll replace the fuel filter as well. But anyway, I'm working with what I can and what I have today. I'm still waiting on the gasket. That's probably going to be here Monday or Tuesday. So hopefully soon we can see if this runs. Other than that, there haven't been too many updates. I did kind of start cleaning and polishing a little bit under the hood here, so you can see these plastics are a lot cleaner than before, and some of the paint as well. And I know that's kind of superficial, but I was kind of in cleaning anyway, so I'm working on that. We're done on this side. I've got the new shocks in. I had ordered Bilstein B4s, but they didn't fit, so after talking to the manufacturer, I thought, okay, well, I'll go to SAAB, because that's the original brand that would have come on the car. They were the manufacturer for the original brand. So those ended up that I could get the front shocks, but then the ones for the back were on back order. So I went a different route. I got KYB shocks because I could get those right away. So we're in on this side. And then the other thing too, and this is my mistake, but I wasn't paying attention. I put the wrong brake rotor on initially on this side, and then it didn't make sense. The pads were kind of overhanging the outside of the rotor. So I did check the part number. So now that's back together correctly. Everything's torqued down and good to go. I just have the center cap out now, but that's all good to go. The tires here are just in tough shape. You can see there's a big split right there. We know these are getting replaced, but you know, I'm not sure how old they are. This is really, I mean, they're terrible. They're really bad, but these will, I'm not even going to drive it to get the tires replaced. I'll take the rims to the shop and have them do it. Other than that, this car does have a couple dings. You can see the one there, just one. Yeah, I guess just one. I thought there were two there, but I'm thinking of something else. And then this crease back here on the trunk, or on the boot, whatever you want to call it there. When the guy was here to fix the 9.5, he checked those out, and he should be here this week to take care of those. So that'll be kind of exciting. This will be pretty easy to access as well. You can see there's plenty of room down inside the fender here to get in behind and work that out. And then in the back here, just have to remove some of these clips and take this vinyl down and get that out of the way. But it should be pretty accessible. I did take these clips out to make sure that there wasn't like a crash rail or any structural support in behind, so that shouldn't be too big a deal. Also recently, but a little bit longer ago, I finished painting all the trim around the windows. I may have covered that previously. I also polished the wiper arms. They're not actually in too bad a shape. The paint looks kind of fresh, but it's not fresh, just kind of clean. And I put new wiper blades on. And then as far as getting everything off the windows, I did just kind of have to put a little bit more elbow grease into what I was using, but this cleaned up pretty well. It's not perfect. The worst part here is really the backlight, which you can see, you know, there's still some discoloration there, but it's a lot better than what it was. Also, this glass is really dirty because, of course, this car has sat outside a little bit lately. But look how nice and clean this side is. Yeah, that looks great. Yeah, this car sat outside. The garage door here was replaced, so I kind of have to get everything you know, back in order there. I'm going to do some work on that corner. And then also it was out because the 9.5 had to be in here for the repairs. It had to be above 50 or 55 degrees to work on the paint without it cracking. I also have to, yeah, there's some fluids here, so yes, we need to go through that and see what we can get rid of. It seems like a lot. That was kind of buried in the shelves. So I'm taking my time. I don't want to put back garbage. But at any rate, thanks for watching.